Duncan O'Brien, and this is just the beginning. It's Aloha Friday. Setting the vibe. Good looking boards, good looking shirts, good looking dudes.
We're gonna have a lot of fun, and yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Psyched.
Looks like it's gonna be some fun waves. It's gonna be a good day. Aloha Friday.
Who doesn't have his outfit on? How come we don't have your Speedo?
My backpack was moved at Miko's and my bikini was out of there. I don't know if these guys are messing with me or something.
Most guys are worried about where's their board shorts. He's all mad, where's my bikini? He thinks we like stashed it or something. Here, I'll show you where it is. Come with me. It's right here, bikini number 1. I'm like in the car, like rubbing all the icy hot all over his crotch area. Like there's a lot of icy hot on his little diaper things that he has.
Well, we found them, so stoked. These are my favorite ones.
Okay, Duncan is hanging out the side.
What'd you guys put on?
Wait, let's go.
Is there icy hot in my Speedos?
What are you talking about?
It's burning.
Hey, go, I'm shooting a slow
Dude,
down.
there's icy hot on my balls. You you going? Icy hot all over on my. I don't know, my balls are burning. It's getting worse.
Poops just figured out he had icy hot in his Speedo.
It burns bad. Sensitive area.
It's all premeditated. Yeah, Poop. Just an ideal place to have a lot of fun. When we showed up and checked the waves, it was on shore. And then we looked to the right and there's this backwash straight offshore. If you never surf backwash, it is so much fun. You know, you just start boosting and boosting, and it's like all these whoop-de-doos, like whoop, 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 whoop. It was super perfect for the SUP squatch somehow, and we got all the boys on the SUP squatch, and we brought the Aloha vibe all the way to Makaha. looking up in the air and Mateo was like 15, 20 feet in the air, just airborne, like you've never seen someone on a SUP spot. I've never seen someone's eyes so big. Like he popped up, his eyes are just like this. He's like a legend when it comes to like charging the biggest chopo you've ever seen. And it's just funny to see his reactions on the SUP spot when it's like 3 to 4 feet.
Myself that it's alright, I'm okay, just scraping by now, so gonna find out if this will be alright. There's no way I'm stumbling back now, I'm sick of it out, so sick of taking the hard way. So sick of taking the hard way. Yeah. Woke up this morning, I was singing this song. Recycling bottles from the parties we've thrown. Yeah, stop giving me sticks, start throwing me bones. It's alright, check it out. I tell myself that it's alright. There's no way I'm stumbling back now. I'll figure it out. Sick of taking the hard way.
What's up, YouTube? Thanks for watching the show. Subscribe to Red Bull and click the button to watch more episodes of Who is Job on Red Bull TV.
Let's go. Where's your firing? What
God,
are you
it's
doing?
flat in Carlsbad.